Luna. What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of El Jardín Perdido. Today, we're delivering a doe. Alright, so it's 2 days later, but I did go ahead and capture some footage of this about 2 days ago. Luckily, I've been on winter break, so I've been in the vicinity. And this time when my doe Jolene delivered, I was there every step of the way, monitoring every night and every morning. I was seeing how full her bag was getting. I saw the initial discharge, and so I was there like clockwork, seeing her kind of lip quiver and right there to see contractions right up until delivery. So smooth sailing. This is the first time that she had only delivered one, which is fine. Nice healthy little doe. But yeah, I saw that it was go time, kind of got all the rags collected and everything, got a syringe just to get any mucus out or anything, and so I saw the back two hooves coming out, which could mean a number of different things. Ideally you'd want the front two hooves, but all I did was kind of go with her contractions and pull out as she was pushing. I waited a little bit. I didn't assist right away, but the second I could see she was really trying to give it a go, gave a little tug on the back hooves there, and she eventually slipped right out. Her name is Luna, and real quick I'll go ahead and show you guys both how the mom's doing and the little doe Luna. Alright, so here's the pen, here's mom, doing great. She's at the point now, of course she's still nursing, but she's at the point now where she's letting Luna be a little more independent. Luna has found a nice spot under the, what used to be a chicken coop, still kind of is. Sorry for the tangent, but we do still have eggs in there. But yeah, the goats are destroying it. I'm working on having a friend take my bucks, especially because I don't want little Luna getting pregnant prematurely. I'm letting my friend keep my bucks somewhere less than an hour away so that I have access to them. But here we have little Luna, all black. Let's turn little Luna around to say hi. She's not skittish, but she's not she's very docile. She's gonna be a sweet little doe, and already pretty independent, hanging out by herself. She got plenty of colostrum. She's doing great nursing and everything, so she's in good shape. Nice healthy little doe. All right guys, so as you can see, we had a nice little healthy doe. My other full-grown doe, Jezebel, you guys can comment below and enlighten me a little bit. I've been checking her udders regularly just because she has been long overdue to be impregnated. It's been 2 years that she's been with a buck at the same time as my other doe, Jolene, and still nothing. I don't know if she's miscarried or what's going on. I've seen no signs of that. She's very big goat in general, so it's really hard to differentiate whether she's actually carrying kids or not. But I've been checking her udders and just for signs, and she is producing a little bit of milk. And I just gave it a little squeeze to see what's going on. Her bag doesn't feel very firm, but she is producing milk. And I didn't know if that was like a hormonal product of hearing little Luna being born and crying or anything, or what was going on. But I am keeping close eye on that, because that'd be pretty awesome if we got an additional bunch of kids. But yeah, I'm stoked to share with you guys that we had a successful pregnancy. Some of my subscribers may recall a video last year in which I did lose 2 little kids. So yeah, with the struggles of urban farming and permaculture in general, there are rewards that come along too. I definitely learned how to keep my eyes peeled on any vital signs or anything that might go wrong, and I had a lot of things on standby. So with what may be considered failures in the past, you know, there are rewards. You do learn from things. So yeah, glad to share this with you guys. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them below. And if you haven't subscribed now, consider doing so. I have lots of videos on both the farm life aspect of this permaculture operation and the plant life. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for today's video. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.